Welcome back, everyone, to lesson 5. We have the stickers. As always, yours, the tab, it has your stored stickers. And from the stickers tab, you can search for any stickers you want, like follow. And you can choose any sticker you like this one. You put it here. Okay. There is stable stickers, like it's not moving, and there is animated stickers. Some of them are free, and some of them, like this one, it's a pro. Back to shapes. We have all different shapes, like the rectangle or square in this case. We have circle, we have triangle, we have quad lines, and we have multiple shapes, the line, the arrow, and you can create, of course, your custom shape, which is amazing. You can create anything you like. Then let me move that like this. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Then you can, of course, play with the stroke and fill, but I'll show you all the options on the right side in the upcoming lessons. So for now, this would be the stickers lesson. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.